Hey everyone, what's up? Welcome back to Technical Portal YouTube channel on a new video of Microsoft Excel short VBA code series that is running into my channel. So friends, today in this video we are going to learn about a code with which we can delete all the shapes we have created and that are unused in our shape in a just single click, right? So here in sheet 1 you can see that we have used some of shapes which we do not need now, right? So we can do one thing, that we can select one by one and delete it manually, but we can also do a smart work to do a smart VBA code which will delete all the shapes for us automatically. So let's write and run that code. Go to the developer tab, go to the Visual Basic, and you can also press the Alt and F11 key to directly get into it. So here insert a new module where we will write our code. So at first we are going to write sub following our sub procedure name. Sub, now name your sub procedure name. I am naming it as for each shape, right? Hit enter, come to the next line. Look at here, the name has been changed successfully. Now we need to declare our variables, and the variable we declare using dim shp I am using as my variable, and the type of my variable will be as shape, right? Select it from the drop down menu, hit the enter button, come to the next line. Now write and use the for each loop here. For each your variable name in active sheet dot shapes, hit enter, come to the next line. Now note carefully, this code will delete only the shapes that are used in your current worksheet, right? Now hit the tab button, indent your code, write shp dot, select delete option from the drop down menu, hit enter, unindent your code. Now type next shp, hit enter. That's all, your code has been completed. Now close this Visual Basic editor and let's run our code. Go to the developer tab, click on macros. Here select your recently created macro and then hit the run button. Look at here, every single shapes has been deleted in just a single click. So that's all for today friends. Hopefully you like this video. I'll come back soon with the next part of this video. Till then, keep learning, keep supporting this channel and keep practicing.